If you really want to memorize your concepts, you need to engage in something called active learning. And active learning is primarily done by three methods. One is either you do discussions. Let's say you're sitting with a group of friends and you're talking to them. Oh, do you know this article of polity? You know how India is a federal country and how are its features, the constitution features talk about federalism and non-federal features. All those things, whatever you want to discuss, that becomes a moot point. You can talk about air pollution in Delhi, you can talk about the causes. So a discussion is relatively more better retained in your head. But the problem with discussions is that it leads to a lot of wastage, time wastage, because generally they end up in heated arguments and then there is no conclusion. Another thing is practice. Practice doing. Practice doing means in the sense you have, let's say you are drawing the map, or you are attempting a paper, or doing something where you are required to actively recall or actively do that activity. Okay, so that is something which forces the neurons in your brain to get fired and to reproduce the information that you may have learned. And finally, the best way, which is also known as the Feynman technique, is that you teach to someone. You teach that concept to someone. Of course, it is not feasible or possible for you at this stage to sit down with somebody and teach them concepts. But I can tell you the story about one of my students. He used to hold his toothpaste in hand and he used to teach the toothpaste. He used to say, do you know that, let's say if we're talking about ecosystems, he will talk about different concepts such as what is an ecosystem, what is an ecocline, what is an ecotone, how is it different from edge effect. And in this process of explaining things to his toothpaste, which was of course a pretend student, he understood those concepts so well that it was ingrained in his memory. And prelims, my friend, is a test of your conceptual understanding, which will come only when you yourself are very clear.